Before constructing any photovoltaic system, you must measure your solar resource. Today, we will be demonstrating 3 techniques to measure that resource. The first one is the most low budget and easy to use, which is your protractor and weight and a compass. Your second one is your readily available solar pathfinder. And your third, most widely used by professionals in the field today, is your solmetric sun eye.
First, I'm going to demonstrate the compass and protractor site assessment method. You'll need a protractor, a string, and some sort of weight. In our case, we're using a nut. It's very cheap and handy, and you can, lose it and then not be expensive. You'll also need a compass and a sun chart, clipboard, and marker. I'm using a 36 north latitude sun chart here, and we're in Boone, North Carolina, so that's our latitude. So first, you'll want to orient yourself south. So set your compass up accordingly. So we're facing south now. And what I like to do is go, if we have south here on our sun chart, start at 90 degrees, which is east, and then move across the skyline to the west. So we can orient ourselves to the east at 90 degrees. Look at the height of our obstruction with our protractor, and then carry that angle down to our sun chart. On our sun chart, we'll go from 90 degrees azimuth up to 15 degrees of elevation and make our first mark. And now we're going to demonstrate the full process of moving across the skyline at our photovoltaic system site. So from east, we're going to move 15 degree increments across the skyline to the west. So you'll go from 90 degrees up to 105 degrees on a compass, and then find the elevation of your obstruction on your protractor. The area under the red line here on our sun chart will be the area that is shaded from our photovoltaic system. This is the sun's path on December 21st. So on this site, what this line shows is that we'll essentially have complete shading on December 21st through January 21st for the entire day. The area above this red line would be the solar irradiance available to your photovoltaic system throughout an entire calendar year. I'll now be showing the second tool in our quiver of site assessment equipment. This is called the Solar Pathfinder. It'll come with its own respective sun chart for the latitude of your site. Here I'm using a 31 to 37 degree north latitude sun chart. And we'll set up the tripod. So you'll want to orient your pathfinder to the south. This bezel that it sits on, or the bowl that the pathfinder chart sits on, floats, so you'll be able to level your pathfinder up. There's a leveling bubble in the middle of your pathfinder, so that you can get your pathfinder perpendicular to the ground. Flat. Face your pathfinder south, and then install the cover of the pathfinder. And this allows you to see the actual skyline reversed into your sun chart here, so that you can see what percentage of site potential your site has. Using the Pathfinder software, you'll want to stand back from the Pathfinder and you'll see your reflection in here. Make sure that you're standing behind the sun chart itself, and we can actually see the camera here in the sun chart. It's, you know, an obstruction to the sun chart here. So take a picture of this, and then we can transpose this image into the Solar Pathfinder software, where we can customize our system design with what panels or inverter or climate data we have for the system location.
With our final method, we're going to use a solmetric sun eye, and it's as easy as just setting your location here and leveling it out and snapping a picture. And then you plug it into the software and go from there.